unbox this fragrance today. This is Haramain Amber Oud Extreme. I actually have no idea what this fragrance is going to smell like. I haven't looked up the notes. I hear a lot of good things about Amber Oud, but this is the extreme one. This is an extrait de parfum version, so cannot wait. Someone on one of my lives last night said they thought it was like a Leighton fragrance, so we'll see. I really don't know. This was sent to me by a fragrance company in New York City. They sell fragrances at a decent price, so if anyone's interested, I'll put the link down below. All right. I like this box. Check it out. Looks good. Looks good. Now, ooh, oh, that's cool. Has a little gel thing in there. Get rid of that, but check this out. Talk about presentation. I'm digging that. We have a little sample travel size with me, and we have a full-size bottle. Oh, check out that bottle. That looks really nice. So I'm going to close this for now. Ooh, magnetic. And see if I can smell anything. No, not yet. So tell you what, I'm looking for something to spray on. Because I'm going to do a test on my arms. I should have thought of this beforehand. Oh, here we go. I have some Harmony strips right here. So these come every time you order a fragrance. So I'm going to put this right here. Unfortunately, I have to put it on the ground because, you know, hands. Let's spray. There we go. Ooh, I'm already getting scent of that. So again, here you go. That is the bottle. Haramain Amber Oud Extreme. So this smells nothing like Leighton. So that one person was not correct. It's not a Leighton clone. This is very sweet. This is like 1 million. If I'm honest, it smells like 1 million Royal. It has that similar DNA, that sweetness. Although, now that I say it, it's starting to smell a little bit more like Invictus Victory. But it's in that bubble gum, Paco Rabanne style of sweetness. Ooh, this could be Invictus, actually. Oh. Tell you what, I'm going to test out 1 million first. I'm going to check out 1 million Royal. Let's see, I have another strip. Oh, I love that fragrance. This is not 1 million Royal. I mean, this is, but the fragrance is not 1 million Royal. Oh, for those of you who don't know, 1 million Royal is one of the best fragrances out there. Highly recommend it. Takes the 1 million DNA, adds a little bit of tangerine in the opening. So nice. Yeah, this is definitely an Invictus. Oh, this smells so good. This has to be Victory because it's not platinum. And if I'm honest, I don't like the other Invictuses, so this has to be Victory. So I don't have Invictus Victory. I mean, I have a sample of it, but I'm not sure where that is at the moment. I do have Invictus Victory Elixir, so tell you what, I'm going to get that. All right, so this one's a little bit spicier of an Invictus than the original Victory, but for science. Yeah, 100%. That's Victory. So, not Victory Elixir, Victory. So Victory Elixir has, if I remember correctly, cardamom. It has a nice little spiciness on the bottom to enhance that Victory DNA. This is definitely Victory. Again, I'm really liking this. I don't know about performance, projection, longevity, but Haramain Amber Oud Gold Extrait de Parfum, by the way. Come on, intense. Sorry, extreme, but it is the Extrait de Parfum. It's a good fragrance. So again, I'll put the link down below. Tag the company for you to check it out later if you want.